where the mountains can cover the shape of his nose. He wants to die where nobody can see him. The beauty of his death will carry us so. I don't believe him. He greets me with kisses when good days deceive him, and sometimes we're scored and sometimes I believe him. Sometimes I'm convinced my friends think I'm crazy. Gets getting colic, but it's usually easy. By 1 in the morning, your day is not ended. By 2 he is scared. Sleep is no friend, and by 4 he will drink, but he cannot feel it. Sleep will not come because sleep does not will it, and I don't believe him. Morning is mocking me. I wander the streets, avoiding the meats, till the ring on my finger slips to the ground. A gift to the gutter, a gift to the city, the veins of which have broken me down. And I don't believe him. The morning is mocking me. The gods that he believes never fail to amaze me. You believe in the love of your God of all things, but I find you wrapped up in all manner of sins. The drugs that deceive you, the girls that believe you. Well, I can't control you, I don't know you well. These are the reasons I think that you're ill. I can't control you, I don't know you well. These are the reasons I think we're ill. And since last that I saw him, last that we parted down by a river, silent